Hello, I am Divya and I am explaining in brief how immune cells or immunity respond when any pathogen enters inside the body. So let's have a look. These are the pathogens. When pathogen enters inside the body, then it is taken up by these are the immune cells, that is antigen presenting cells. These are the dendritic cell. When any pathogen enters inside the body, these antigen foreign material, that is the antigen, is taken up by the antigen presenting cell, that is the dendritic cell. Inside the cells, these pathogen are being processed and presented on the surface of these cells, that is the antigen presenting cell, which is dendritic cell, and these are presented on the surface of APC with the help of major histocompatibility complex. These pathogen on the surface of antigen presenting cells are then recognized by the T helper cell. These T helper cells are present in inactive state when it sees the pathogen along with the MHC2 complex on the surface of antigen presenting cells. These T helper cell gets activated. These T helper cells then divide into the two component, that is the Th1, that is T helper 1 cell mediated immune response, and the humoral immune response. These interaction of the pathogen along with MSC on the surface of antigen presenting cells and the T helper cells leads to the activation of these T helper cells. These T helper cells divide activate to form T cytotoxic cells for cell mediated immune response, and it release various cytokines that helps in the activation of B cells. B cells are then get divided into the plasma cells and memory cells. These plasma cells secrete antibody, and these antibody clears the pathogen from the body, and memory cell keep the memory of that particular pathogen, that if that particular pathogen enters inside the body again, then this memory cell becomes activated and perform the immune response and get that pathogen get clears from the body. This is the humoral response. Humoral means fluid, and this fluid means antibody present in antibody present in the form of fluid in present in the fluid, so it is humoral response. Next is the cell mediated immune response. Why it is so named? Because it is in immunity is mediated by the cells, that is the T cytotoxic cell. TC cells is cytotoxic cells. These TC cells upon activation binds to the virus infected cells, that is the when any virus enters inside the body, it infects the cells. So these cytotoxic cells kills the virus infected cells. So this is the cell mediated immune response, and this is humoral response because it secretes antibody and kills the pathogen. And in cytotoxic response, that is cell mediated response, killing of the virus infected cells were done. So these are the basic components of the basic response occurs when any pathogen enters inside the body, or in case of vaccine also we can see that when any vaccine get injected into the body, the immune response interact in the same way. So this is the sum of the basic I have discussed here about the immune response. Okay, thank you.